My name is Seth Kweku Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright guys, so let's step into Photoshop and then let's drag this raindrop effect in there, a raindrop texture. We're also going to bring the landscape in there as well. Now what I want us to do is click on the mountain or the landscape and then Ctrl J to duplicate it 3 times like this. Now you want to call this 1, you also want to call this 2, and you want to call these 3. Now hide these 2, click on 1, and I want us to set it to overlay. Alright, so now it feels like it's at the other side of the glass, and this is cool, but then the edges are too sharp, and so let's click on it and then let's go to filter, let's go to blur, let's go to Gaussian blur, and then set it to 8.4 and then click on OK. Now this makes it look quite beautiful and nice. It looks quite real as well. Click over here and then set it to soft light. Awesome. Let's also give it a blur. Go to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur and set it to 8.4 as well. Alright, so now this makes it look more real. This is what we are looking for. Now I want us to type over here. Let's just say awesome. I'm using back to black demo. Okay, so let's resize it and drag it somewhere here. I want us to give it a new layer, and then let's go and pick. I left a brush in the description for you. Just click here and then go to import brushes. Locate where you downloaded the file to, click on it and click on load, and then it's going to load up for you. You're going to find it here. Set K Bunny water, click on it and then select the appropriate brush that you want to use. So let's just experiment. We are going to use something like this. Remember, we are clicking on the layer that we created. Click somewhere here. Let's pick another brush, and then let's click somewhere here. Let's also pick another brush, and then let's reduce the size a little bit and click here, let's pick another brush, let's say this, whoa, and then let's reduce the size and then click here, too small, and then click here. All right, now let's go and pick our soft round brush, close it. Let's go and pick our soft round brush. Make sure the foreground is color black, the opacity and then the flow is 100%. Let's reduce the size of the brush. Click on the mask and then let's mask all these unwanted areas. All these unwanted areas, let's mask it. Alright, so now we have something like this. Click on this and click on these 2 and then Ctrl E to merge them together. Now I want us to bring in this one as well. Let's clip it to it and then let's create a level, and then let's just play around with it. Just feel free and play around with it. And guys, just like that, this is how you create this nice raindrop effect on a glass or on a very transparent surface. If you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel as well, guys. I love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.